Turn the machine over so that the bottom is facing forward. Will be pumped seat into the right side of the board on the left side of the first part of the card into the right side of the card tilted at 45 degrees. To align the holes to install the hexagonal screws. To install the Wi-Fi antenna take out the Wi-Fi antenna to align the holes can be twisted to stabilize. The LU2-10B laser module assembly. Laser module alignment X-axis integrated components slide into the appropriate position. Tighten the hand screws. Laser line into the corresponding interface. With a tie to tie the laser line. With scissors to cut off the excess. LU3-20B laser module assembly. Laser module alignment axis integrated components slide into the appropriate position. Tighten the hand screws. Laser line into the corresponding interface. With a tie to tie the laser line. With scissors to cut off the excess. LU3-40A laser module assembly. Turn over, attach the laser head to the hand screw. Just screw it on, don't need to tighten it too much. Laser module slides into the proper position by aligning with the shaft integration part. Tighten the hand screw. Connect the laser cable to the corresponding connection. Tie the laser cable with a cable tie. Cut off the excess with scissors. LU3-20B and LU3-40A install the air pump. Put the quick coupler on the air pump air hose. Take out the air tube and throttle valve. To install the throttle to the air tube. Install the air tube to the quick connector. To confirm whether the installation is stable, remove the rubber plugs. To install the empty air tube. To confirm whether the installation is stable. After all the installation, use a tie to tie up the laser wire and the air tube. Excessive ties cut off the use of throttle according to the needs of the control of air flow in the air tube. Use a throttle to control the air flow in the air tube as required. Align the corresponding socket to insert the memory card to. Set up the support seat. Roller up to twist the loose in order to better put the material to be engraved. Pay attention to the material and the grid parallel to the firm line, to prevent the processing of the pattern skewed. To ensure that the material is completely covered by the pressure wheel, to avoid the transfer process, to avoid shifting. The processing of the material can be used to the optical axis of the material to press the material. Can be twisted so that the material to move to the appropriate position for engraving. Put the other end of the power adapter cable on. Plug in the USB Type-C cable and the power cable. Start the machine. And wait for the machine to fall into place. If an abnormality occurs during the use of the machine, press the reset button with a wrench and the machine will stop. To ensure that the engraving process can be returned properly, it is necessary to leave at least 200 mm at the end of the engraving distance of the material.